अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं इनाम गुराया और आप देख रहे हैं इनाम व्लॉग्स यूट्यूब चैनल। नाज़रीन, परसों इंडिया को वॉक ओवर देने के बाद आज मुकाबला है न्यूजीलैंड के साथ। थोड़ी देर के बाद पाकिस्तान न्यूजीलैंड का मैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है। देखते हैं कि पाकिस्तान न्यूजीलैंड की सिक्योरिटी के मामलात को किस तरह देखता है। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ, फिर बात करते हैं इस पर। पाकिस्तान न्यूजीलैंड की सिक्योरिटी टाइट हो रही है। पाकिस्तान हेलो मलक 45 ਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਹੈ।
A little bit of trouble, a little bit of hurt, but as a series, so much batting depth in this Pakistan outfit. I've got bowling aplenty, batting depth. It's a very good side. Wonderful batting. Chip this one away. We'll look for two. No need. No need. This is such a good shot, Buzzard. I mean, when you look at it, given the fact that it was not a half ball, as you said, he's had to wait.
Bola mukhalifa.
All about free swing of the bat. Shot Malik. Started slow. Just ramping it up now. Savali on strike. Again, that's good common sense.
No!
Mitchell does well. Down to single figures now. 9 required and a couple of balls power hitting. And it's all good for Pakistan yet again. A bit of feeling in the game. Just those big hits from Atif Ali, and obviously the bowling. Is so exceptional. Found his voice again. Pakistan faithful in the ground. Finishes with a duck. But another very good over. 15 coming from it. 1-2-6 for 5. Try the new taste. Pepsi. Golden Fusion Next हर समय प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे आज मेरा पाकिस्तानी ये सब कुछ Dubai International Stadium, their second home, and it was their actual home for 10 years. It's so good last in the world to see Pakistan and cricket back at home. But this is a place where they feel at home. 138 international matches in the UN. As you said, it's a team with depth. Bowling, batting, you still look at the batting and you've got here the Shadab Khan and Asif Ali just struggling a little, or hit in the groove, just having a word with the physio. Back to the action. One missing leg and no leg by. Is perceived to be two of the tougher games in absolutely brilliant. 2 to win.
पाकिस्तान ने न्यूजीलैंड की सिक्योरिटी टाइट कर दी आज इंडिया को वॉक ओवर देने के बाद। आज का मैच न्यूजीलैंड की सिक्योरिटी भी टाइट हो गई है। उम्मीद है न्यूजीलैंड इस तरह